guys, so you know what we do with my Wira? The turbo and turbo. Turbo and turbo.
Don't know can fit there or not, but
Yep. So now we're going to open the process of opening the turbo. So maybe this one will take time. We'll cut and I slowly do, slowly fix. First today is Labor Day. Nobody will help me. So first thing, don't know if you can fit. First turbo quite big. The stock turbo, the RB20 turbo is hitting this pipe right now. It's either choice, if it still hits, I have to modify one pipe. The different route. Yeah. So actually this turbo, first when I bought this turbo never come actually. There's a stone manual. So guys, if you want to put the turbo with the flutter, at least put some filter in it. Don't be like me.
need the turbo guard.
It's a turbo guard. So the new turbo will try to test fit. I think can good lah, no problem. So now we're opening the 4 screw, unbolting all this one, and then try to test fit. Once test fit, we're going to test fit the turbo. I'll show you how. Okay. So you ready to cut the turbo? The whole one. So you can see all. Actually the turbo is okay. No problem with the turbo. Turbo fin still okay, no goyang, no nothing. So right now we already fit the big ass turbo to my car. So test fitting right now, just see a little bit heating from the water pipe. So later we'll knock it out. It's quite big, very big. So we need to modify one pipe. And then that's all. Do exhaust. You can finish it, I think, by today.
Easy swap.
So right now I'm going to take out the turbo, cut everything, and then well, good to go.
DIY turbo guard. Oh shit.
Right now, blocking the turbo, so drain down and feed up. So you block up and then down. Now after this, put that housing, bada bing, bada boom, start.
Integral piping ah.
Yep. Leceh guys.
Turbo and oil feed in Focus man, focus.
Hey, the braking won't need welding other than that.
No need. Turbo I got.
No, I mean that. I can't
Oh.
Everything on bed I did it.
Alright.
Okay, start. Start.
So, first drive.
Now sound like RB turbo.
Yeah. I never hear him scream like that.
You full throttle lady.
Nice slow first, huh?
That's good. Look. Sound like damn big ass turbo car Sound like big ass turbo, you know. Even back here, you know it. The turbo like the box on the sound, huh?
So guys, so we already fixed the Maxpeedingrods turbo. So we did the turbo guard, charge pipe, and everything. So right now we just running on for maybe 1-2 weeks before we retune the car. Because right now the turbo is very laggy. So like first gear, like no boost, not hitting boost. So we have to tune to make it spool up a bit earlier. So turbo actually, I tell you, not bad. I'm really satisfied with this. What?
Satisfied.
Lah, puas hati lah bahasa Melayu kan. So really puas hati lah. So if you all trying recommend, I recommend go ahead, no problem. Brand new turbo, the price of it, it's like, come on lah. So a bit laggy because this engine is only 1.5. Current before that was 1.3, so I upgrade 1.5, piston and all. So inside, internal, a lot of people asking, is all fully stock. All stock, no nothing, no cam. Or maybe you're going to put cam, max ECU. So if you want the budget, come message me, no problem. Thing is, if you want bolt-on turbo, viewers, I recommend don't put ECU because I'm running small turbo. So if you put small turbo, you don't have to put ECU. So if you want this exact setup, more power, you want to whack, put max ECU, I recommend because easy ini. So see you on the next video. We tune the car and see how fast it will go.